Hello friends, now we are starting 8th chapter of history, tourism and history. My first topic is tourism in the past. The tradition of traveling is quite old in India. People used to travel for various reasons like pilgrimage. Pilgrimage means a long journey that person make to visit, going to local fairs and festivals like Kumbh Mela, Ganesh Chaturthi, and for good education, for trade, etc. In brief, from ancient time people took to traveling for various reasons. So our next topic is tourism. Tourism can be defined as traveling to visit places in distant region for a specific purpose. These three lines you can write as definition of tourism. So next, in the later half of 19th century CE, the name of Thomson Cook is noteworthy in the concept of tourism history. It means in later half of 19th century, Thomson Cook is noteworthy of tourism history. Thomson Cook organized a trip for 600 people from Leicester to Loughborough, and later he was successful to organize a trip a round trip of Europe, and eventually he established a travel agency selling tourist tickets. This earlier venture of Thomson Cook opened door for the development of modern tourism. And now we are starting 8.2 types of tourism. There are many types of tourism: local tourism, domestic tourism, international tourism, etc. Our first topic is domestic tourism. Domestic tourism is tourism involving residents of one country traveling only within that country. A domestic holiday is a holiday spent in the same country. And our next is international tourism. In this, we are learning 7 types of tourism. Our next topic is international tourism. International tourism refers to tourism that crosses national borders. Globalization has made tourism a popular global leisure activity. The World Tourism Organization defines tourists as people traveling to and staying in the place outside their usual environment for not more than one consecutive year. Our third type of tourism is historical tourism. It is also known as heritage tourism. Cultural heritage tourism is a branch of tourism oriented towards the cultural heritage of the location where tourism is occurring, like historical place, etc. And our fourth types of tourism is health tourism. Health tourism is a wider term for travel that focuses on medical treatment and the uses of healthcare services. It covers a wide field of health oriented tourism ranging from preventive and health conductive treatment to rehabilitation and creative forms of travel. Wellness tourism is a retail field. Our sixth topic is agritourism. It is also known as agrotourism. In agrotourism involves any agriculturally based operation or activity that brings visitor to a farm. Our eighth topic is sport tourism. Sport tourism refers to travel which involves either observing or participating in a sports event while staying apart from the tourist usual environment. Sports tourism is a fast growing sector of a global travel industry and equates to $7.6 billions.